Did you know that you can mute your iPhone just by tapping on its back? It sounds like a trick, but with the back tap feature, it's completely possible. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly switch your phone to silent mode with just 2 simple taps. Get ready for a super fast and easy way to mute your phone. First, on the home screen of your phone, find the Settings app and open it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a little and find the Accessibility section, then tap on it. When you're in the Accessibility section, scroll down again and under Physical and Motor, you'll see the Touch option. Tap on it. On the Touch Settings page, you'll see a lot of options. Scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the page, you'll see the Back Tap option. Tap on it. Now, in this section, you'll see 2 options, Double Tap and Triple Tap. Choose Double Tap. After doing this, on the next screen, you'll see a list of all the actions you can assign to this tap. Find the Mute option and select it. Once you're done, let's try it out and see how it works. So, tap anywhere on the back of your iPhone 2 times, just like we set up earlier. As you can see, your phone immediately switched to silent mode. Do the same again if you want to deactivate silent mode. Pretty useful, right? And that's it for this tutorial. If it was helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.